Myrtos Beach, located on the Greek island of Kefalonia, is one of the world's best destinations for beach lovers. With fine white sand and deep blue sea, Myrtos is truly a precious gem in the Mediterranean Sea. Myrtos Beach is located in the southwest of the island of Kefalonia, one of the largest islands of the Ionian archipelago, part of Greece. Myrtos is not only one of the most beautiful beaches in Kefalonia, but is also considered one of the best beach destinations in the world. Myrtos Beach, on the Greek island of Kefalonia, is often described as a seaside paradise, and its climate certainly plays an important role in creating a wonderful travel experience for visitors. Myrtos is not only a beautiful beach destination but also a place to experience the warmth and friendliness of Greek culture. Myrtos Beach on the island of Kefalonia is not only famous for the natural beauty of its seascape, but is also an important habitat for marine animals and especially coral reef species. Coral reefs are also an important part of the marine ecology of Myrtos. Coral reefs are not only a habitat for many species of fish and other marine life, but also a beautiful picture of underwater color. On Myrtos Beach, not only is the natural beauty of the seascape captivating people's hearts, but there are also hot girls that add to the excitement of the atmosphere. With healthy shiny skin, hair blowing in the wind and shining sunlight, they create a seductive and attractive image. Their images are not only the joy of the beach, but also an integral part of the wonderful travel experience here. Myrtos Beach is not only a popular tourist destination on the island of Kefalonia, but also one of the most important tourist centers of the entire island. The attraction of Myrtos comes not only from its wonderful natural beauty but also from the rich tourist activities it offers. However, increased tourism also brings with it challenges, including pressure on the natural environment, pollution, and tourist management. Protecting and maintaining the appeal of Myrtos means ensuring that tourism activities are carried out sustainably and responsibly. Join us as we explore exciting adventures and amazing destinations around the world by subscribing to our Wandering channel today. Don't miss the opportunity to explore and experience new things. Subscribe to Wandering channel now so you don't miss any new videos and join us on our journey to explore the world.